Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, from the very beginning of your life, as Prahlad Maharaj did, Kaumaro acharit pragya dharmana bhagavatani ha. He was 5 years old, and from the beginning of his life he was Krishna conscious, and he used to teach Krishna consciousness among his class friends. Prahlad Maharaj, in the school, he would preach Krishna consciousness among the small children. So try to follow Mahajana Jina Gatasya Pantha. Follow the footprints of great personalities like Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj. They were child, still they become the topmost devotees. There are many others. The Kumaras, they were very topmost devotees. So, of course, it requires little endeavor. Prahlad Maharaj's father was a demon, number one atheist. Still, Prahlad Maharaj had the chance to hear Narad Muni while he was within the womb of his mother. Narad Muni was instructing his mother. But Prahlad Maharaj, within the womb of his mother, heard everything from Narad Muni. So, before coming out of the womb of mother, he understood the Bhagavad-gita. So from the very beginning of his life, he was Bhagavat. Bhagavat means devotee. So we can follow Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj. And of course, it requires the help of the parents. Otherwise, if we practice Bhagavad Dharma or Bhakti Yogam from the very beginning of our life, it is successful life. Fortunately, we had the good opportunity of learning Bhagavad Dharma from our very childhood. My father was a devotee and he trained us. So it is the duty of all parents to train the children in the Bhagavad Dharma. Then life is successful. Otherwise, life is not successful. There is every chance of falling down. Falling down means life is meant for elevation to the platform of spiritual life. And if you do not do that, then I fall down to the animal life. There are many species of life you have seen in your front. One may become cats and dogs also. There is a great science, but people have no knowledge, neither in the school, colleges, these things are taught. Neither do they know. The so-called teachers and educated persons do not know. So, as far as possible, try to understand this Krishna philosophy and chant Hare Krishna, Mahamantra, whenever you have got time. I think you have got enough time. That is my request, that we are preaching all over.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna